at the trailhead of the start in Clinton, Missouri. The Katy Trail, 240 miles one way. Rails to trail, longest rails to trail in the country.
Yeah, super well supported. 2 blocks away at the community center. We checked in there yesterday, registered the van. They tell you where to park the van there. It's all free. They tell you come in, use the showers when they're open. If you want to tent camp there before you go, they have tent camping in the back. Come in, get some coffee, charge your devices, everything, and there's no charge to it.
Yeah.
And then they, the police know that your vehicle's there, and they
keep an eye on it for you.
Yeah, they said they've never had a problem with any vehicles there, so that's reassuring. So our van is now parked there,
yep.
And so now for the next week or two, we're going to save some money on gas.
Yes. So our stop for the night is about 32 miles ahead, and yeah, nothing left to do but ring this bell and head down the trail.
Who's ringing the bell?
We're both ringing the bell.
Both ringing the bell.
Yeah,
all
there's
right.
a bell on each end, so we gotta start with the bell ringing. Let's do it. Across one of the original telegraph poles. They said we're going to see a few along the way, and there she is.
Trailer crossing the road here. How you doing, babe?
First stop, we made it to Calhoun. Pistol, she's excited. She had some snacks. We all had snacks. Show us on the map where we.
So here's Clinton.
Yeah.
Here's Mawkins.
Yeah.
And St. Charles.
Yeah.
And we're here.
Okay.
First stop, Calhoun. So it's a trailhead, and then I rode up around the corner, got some orange juice and a muffin. That's about it as a gas station.
Yeah.
So I'm really craving some coffee, and some of the trailhead said like 6 or 7 miles up the road there's like a general store right on the trail.
Windsor, that's
Windsor.
our next stop.
Windsor.
And we're in coal mining country, actually. So you can see, I think, from if you were to fly overhead, you can really see the terrain.
Strip mined.
Yeah.
In the early 1900s.
And we'll ride by some of it, but you can't tell really from ground level anymore. But that's interesting. We'll be 16 miles in at our next stop. But right now we're only 9.5 miles in. Let's do it. We made it to our next stop, which is the town of Windsor. We went over to the little Casey's convenience store, and I had a breakfast sandwich and some blend juice. And
I had lunch with Bill and Carol.
Yeah, we met this really great couple actually in Clinton at the trailhead there. They took off in front of us, and we caught up with them here. And again, they're ahead of us now. But
Vickie said he's cycled across the country like 5 times. He's done the Continental Divide. He's done all kinds. This is the second time they've done the Katy Trail.
They've been full-time travelers for 21 years.
Yeah, so.
Inspiring.
Yeah, so I'm assuming we'll bump, because they're riding all the way to the end, so we'll just probably bump into them up and on throughout the day. So
yeah.
I think they're lighter and faster than us, so.
Could be.
Everyone's lighter and faster than us.
Yeah, everybody we pass.
We're going slower than I thought.
We are.
We're going slow. I'm kind of about the speed of running, and I'm in my smallest gear all the time. It's just kind of this gradual climbs and a gradual descent. There's no descent that you can actually coast down.
No, there's no recovery period. It's just pedal, 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 pedal.
Yeah, it's taken probably a lot longer.
Yeah.
I mean, we left at 10 o'clock. It's a 1:45, and we're about maybe halfway to our first campground.
We better get on it.
Yeah.
How far to our campground?
Another 16-ish miles.
Okay. Okay, time to pedal. How are you doing, girl? You doing pretty good? Yeah, you're the one with the comfy ride, huh? All right, let's go.
Pavement. What do you think, huh?
This'll do.
Anything would do.
This'll do. We are home sweet home for the night. This is Lazy Liz. It's Lazy Liz, right?
Yes.
Lazy Liz Campground and Horse Park. Good. That was good, babe.
I'm so pooped. Lessons were learned today.
Yeah, we learned a lot, actually. This is gonna be a good stop. We had to pull in off the trail a half mile down a paved road and then turn into here. I think you can get to this through the field, but it's been raining so much lately, it's pretty muddy. So she suggested we come through on the highway.
32.5 miles of trail, and then we turned on this paved road for a half mile to here. It was like night and day. I've ridden a lot of gravel and pavement. I know gravel's slower, but gravel pulling the trailers,
yeah,
it was twice as slow in the gravel.
Yeah.
And there's no reprieve.
It was just a grind all day long, a grind.
There's no coasting. You try to coast and you just stop.
I was most shocked by that.
Yeah, that was a.
There's no like relaxing time. Don't have to spend. I know we weren't racing, but it did feel like we were in a hurry to get where we're going because it was taking a lot longer than we anticipated, and B, it felt like we were racing because you couldn't stop pedaling. You would tip over. There was no coast time, so it was fun though.
Yeah, so it was 7 hours total between eating and some bathroom and water breaks. Probably a little more than 5 hours of constant pedaling.
And we have 10 more miles tomorrow than we did today, but we're gonna get an earlier start. Now today we had to load up everything and get everything situated and lock the van, do all that.
You overpacked.
So we definitely.
My trailer is really heavy.
Pistol, I think she gained 10 pounds
Well,
between.
We have so much of her food because,
yeah,
you know, you don't want to try to feed her on the road burgers and burritos.
Oh, she wouldn't complain. You know what? She did remarkably well today.
Yeah.
Really well. The only thing, I wish she could just relax and sleep. She doesn't relax and sleep, but she does just kind of settle in.
Bikes did well.
Bikes did well. No flats, no maintenance to speak of.
We talked to the people that run this place, and they said you can set your tent up anywhere in the barn, on the grass, wherever. I said, well, there's some dry grass out in front. She says, yeah, anywhere you want, use the swings. And so,
You just had a bug.
I thought you were looking at my six-pack abs I've developed.
Probably after today.
We should do before and after pictures.
Probably. There's clearly nowhere to get food here tonight, but we have bars and we have meals and
We have Idahoan instant potatoes for emergency food, and I need some emergency food.
you? Oh man, I just want to get that tent set up and lay down and get these bike shorts off and air out, if you know what I mean. She's more tired than I am, and I did all the work. What is up with that? I gotta get this poor girl to bed. We're in, snug as bugs.
Snug as bugs.
Oh, look. Look at this little bug.
Where is she?
She's...
Oh, she went down that way.
She's way snuggied in. Okay. She needs to be covered up. I don't know why right before I came into bed, I started sneezing. I sneezed like 4 or 5 times, and now I cannot breathe out my nose. I just am completely sinus stuffed. There's something, an allergen in the air or something.
Is it the barn, the hay?
I got hay fever. I don't know, but I took a Benadryl, and yes, I put Benadryl in the first aid kit because it's good for us, but it's also good for Pistol.
What a day.
Yeah. We accomplished a lot, though. Yeah, I think we mentioned our total miles was 33.
If I was riding my road bike, it would have felt like probably a good 80 plus miles on a road bike, just because it's the time.
Time. Yeah.
Yeah.
The gravel really... It was really nice gravel. It was just like a little, barely gravel. It was a really hard pack, but it's the trailers that slow us down, man.
The trailers.
There's a lot going on with those trailers, so
yeah.
Tomorrow's a new day. We'll see how it goes. Good morning. We survived the night. It was so windy last night. All we heard was a wind howling.
There's a power line or something where it blows through. It's like something.
It howls.
It sounds like a mournful cry once in a while. It's like, what the heck?
And then, just the wind rustle in the tent.
Girl?
Well, let me tell you about the girl. She has really enjoyed our new bed pads. Because she ended up on mine all night long, and I couldn't move my legs most of the night. But I also really enjoyed our new bed pads. So,
oh my gosh!
If you didn't know, when we did our trial run, the ones that we had, they're fine for backpacking. But we thought for this trip, we might want something a little more easier to blow up and then comfier.
Luxurious.
and boy, we got it.
Yeah, the thermarests are awesome. I had one for 30 years, a small one. This one's bigger, and I mean, the thing I didn't like about mine was it was like rough. This thing is so smooth that...
It's like velvet.
Yeah. Yep, pretty good.
Yeah. So yeah, we got about 40, 45 miles today, somewhere right in there. It's 5 o'clock, about 5:30 I think now. So we need to break down camp and get on our way.
I'm hungry.
Are you? I think the town of Sedalia is just like 2 miles down the trail.
So there's some breakfast and coffee.
Coffee.
Let's do it.
Just so we don't have to.
I'll wait till the camera's off. Right, get out.
Okay. All right. We'll see you next week for day 2 of our Katy Trail camping adventure. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
For behind the scenes footage, early access, ad-free content, and other extras, join us over on Patreon.
We have a lot of fun over there.
We do. To find out more, click the link in the description box below.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment below, hit the like button, hit the notification bell.
Do all the things.
Thanks again.
Carry on.